Morning coffee. Market first. Welcome to the first Friday of 2026. Put the coffee down. The market just woke up. Consolidation is over. Volume is returning. Let's see what's actually happening. Context shifted fast. Bitcoin is pressing into the upper resistance boundary. This is no longer range behavior. This is an active breakout attempt. But zooming out for macro context, Bitcoin is finally catching up to global equities. The risk-on sentiment we've seen in traditional markets is now spilling over into crypto. Ethereum is responding in sync, reclaiming levels lost earlier in the session. Structure is transitioning from defense to offense. Look at the flow behind the move. Spot volume is leading, but open interest is ramping up fast. That matters. It tells us this isn't just position reshuffling or wash trading. This is new capital entering the market. At the same time, short positioning is getting squeezed, adding fuel to the move. Here's the institutional layer. Low liquidity earlier in the session was used for accumulation. Now, with volatility back, higher levels are being actively tested. Institutions don't wait for confirmation. They build positions first and let structure do the rest. Important reminder: don't chase green candles. High volatility often produces false breakouts. Trends don't end because price moves fast. They end when structure breaks. So far, structure remains intact. The key reference point here is the daily close. Bottom line, the boredom phase is over. The market has shifted gears. If you're positioned, manage risk and stay disciplined. If you're not, don't jump in front of momentum. Wait for a retest and confirmation. And remember, we're here for the long term. We operate across market cycles, not one-day moves. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Markets are dynamic. Always do your own research. Watch how the day closes. We'll be here. If this brief adds value, subscribe to the channel for daily, structure-first market reads. Tomorrow, we'll publish the weekly summary brief, putting this move into full macro and market context. And remember, we always follow the kings, not the pawns.